What is up, everybody? Welcome to Carful again, to a new video on the channel. As you can see, it is winter, it is cold, and the matter is to get the cars ready for winter. So it is very important also to get the rims ready for winter because of all the salty roads. And that's what this video is all about, and that is what we are going to show how to do that the best. Stay tuned. Preparing and setting up the cameras and the lighting and eventually the sound is always a very time-consuming job, but it has to be done. With that being said, let's start by loosening the bolts first while the wheel is on the ground. They are all torqued to the specs from Mercedes of 130 Newton meter, and a little bit of force definitely is needed. Now I'm going to fetch a cloth to put on the car jack to protect the rocker panel, because the jack is a little bit bigger than the support it should fit on. And then it is just a matter to find the right spot underneath the car. Okay, let's speed up things now and let's have some fun. All the bolts are coming out easily, because last year, when I put them back on, I greased the thread with some copper grease. Now let's see if the wheel is coming off easily. You see, it's quite windy and a lot colder than I had thought it would be. And I'm already starting to regret that I planned to do this job today. Especially now, it's starting to rain on top of that. Let's roll the wheel outside and bring a bucket of warm soap water and something to sit on so I can get started with cleaning the rim and drying it afterwards so it is ready for the preparation. It can be a very dirty job because the black stains it sometimes makes on the clothing are very hard to clean. So that is why I wear some old clothes and an old cap. As you can see, the cleaning goes quite easy because I always protect the rims with some silicone spray. Now I'm going to dry it up with a cloth. And then I'm using the silicone spray for the inside and the outside. That gets a layer of this good stuff, and I wipe it with the cloth to remove the excess. So that's done. Now let's take it back inside. And let's put it back on the car. First we screw the bolts by hand to be sure they're put the right way on the thread. Then we fasten them a bit crosswise. Then we lower the car again to be able to torque them to the right specs again, and that's that. Now the rear wheel has to come off. I'm doing only these two wheels for the video, because the other side is just the same, of course. Again, loosen the bolts. Then jack it up. Unscrew the bolts. And take off that wheel also. Secure the stands with some wood if you don't trust the jack. Roll it outside while it stopped raining for a short time. Washing the rim again with warm soap water, and the whole procedure repeats itself again. It started to rain a bit again, like you can see by the drop on the lens. So I had to be very quick here. Okay, that's done. Back inside with the wheel also. And putting it back on the rear of the car, just like before. The right torque specs, and that's done okay too. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and I really hope you liked the video. So this is a wrap for this video, and we got a lot of new content coming your way about the Corvette and the restoration. We have the floor panels, the roof panels, and the rest of the interior that we are going to show in the next video. So stay tuned about that, and follow the channel and like, subscribe it, so you won't miss out on anything on the channel. And all we gotta do now is wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that good stuff. See you very soon.